It's Lambro Steve if you're new to this channel, and today I'm at Lamborghini Dallas. Do you see that there? Lambo Dallas, that's right. The Trump Huracan, the Trump Lamborghini, has made national news from New York to LA and everywhere in between. Over 100 news sources have picked it up, but got to put it in for service. The warranty is up soon. I got a couple little issues that Lambo Dallas is going to take care of while I'm out of town. But in the meantime, since I'm at Lamborghini Dallas, they have a sweet matte red Aventador SVJ and a Huracan Evo Spider that's in here, and I want to check them out, so I must show you. I'll be right back. Okay, directly behind me is the Aventador SVJ. Over there we have a Huracan Evo, another Huracan Evo, a SV right here, and another SV, and then a Mura Aventador. Another Huracan hiding over there, but check out this SVJ. Oh my God. Isn't that an amazing car? And let me tell you, they have a bunch of amazing cars. They got, I'm looking at two Uruses right here. There's the Huracan Evo Spider over there. Urus. I have four Uruses here. Doing some photos on this one here. They have about every car you can think of, but let's go check out the Evo Spider. Okay, we are flying back to Tulsa, so I had to stop videoing Lamborghinis. Now I'm in the Uber, so going to DFW, let you know what happens. And boom, just like that, we're at the airport. So, and I've changed. So I'm headed to Tulsa in about 30 minutes. We made it to DFW airport pretty quick from an Uber. I ordered my Uber and then realized that I was inside Lamborghini Dallas filming cool cars, and the Uber showed up pretty quickly, so I had to run out. So anyway, about to hop on a plane, and we're off back to Tulsa. I'll let you know what happens when we get on. I'll get you some shots of the air. That'll be coming. Just like that, we're off. See you in the next video. Later. What's that, Steve? You're still in the airport? Do you know why I'm still in the airport? Because of Un-American Airlines. The worst airline to ever exist. They're terrible. I'll never fly them again. Ever. We sat literally in the plane for an hour and a half while they kept telling us 5 minutes, 15 minutes. So then they kicked us off the plane. So I barely got rebooked on the next flight. Now I'm on my way home. So here it goes. And I hate you, American Airlines. I'm gonna tag American Airlines and try to go viral for American Airlines sucks. American Airlines, you suck. Nothing against the employees of American Airlines, but you suck. Your airline suck. Un-American Airlines, you suck. See you in the next video.